Okay, so now we need to look at the decorations. So it says the student council held a fundraiser to raise money for the decorations. They were able to collect $150. So would you like to use this money to purchase balloons and streamers from Party City? Balloons cost 40 cents each and streamers cost $1.25 each. If you'd like each student to have a balloon tied to their chair, how many packages of streamers could you purchase? Okay, so once again, we need to compare, do we have 200 guests versus 300 guests? So we're going to start with looking at 200 guests. So it says each guest is going to have a balloon tied to the chair, which costs 40 cents each. So we are going to take 40 cents and we're going to multiply it times 200 guests to figure out, well, how much my balloon is going to cost. So my balloons are going to cost, if you multiply out 0.40 times 200, it's going to cost us $80 just to purchase our balloons. So we have a total budget of $150 for our decorations. So I'm going to do $150 and take away the $80 to see how much I have left for streamers. So subtract that out. I have $70 remaining for my streamers. So if I have $70 remaining for all my streamers, I simply take the 70 and I'm going to divide it by the cost of each streamer, $1.25, and that will give me how many streamers I can purchase. So I'm going to do 70 divided by 125, and you tell me how many streamers is that you can buy if you have 200 guests. Now that's on the low side, remember. If we have 300 guests on the high side, we have to do the same process, but with 300 guests instead. So we're going to do 0.40 times 300. You guys fill in the blank with 0.40 times 300. And then from there, once again, I'm going to do the same steps as I did over here. I'm going to do $150 for my total budget, subtract out how much my balloons cost, and that will give me how much is remaining to purchase streamers. Now, once I purchase my streamers, I'm going to do the streamers divided by $1.25, and that will tell me how many packages of streamers I can afford if I have 300 of the guests. Okay? So you now need to just put that into your report, how much it's going to cost if you have, how many streamers can you buy if you have 200 guests versus how many streamers could you buy if you have 300 guests.